Well, good morning, everyone. So, today we're going to be talking about the Federal Reserve Bank's decision to increase interest rates by 75 base points and what this means for us as investors. Just turn this down a bit for you. Oh, other way. So, I invest in crypto like a lot of you probably do. So, the question is, what does this mean for us? What does it mean for the economy? I personally think that the next couple of days will be the days that make or break those newer people to the market. Personally, if you haven't already exited the market because of the fear, the extreme fear that we're in at the moment, if you look at the fear greed index of crypto, for the last couple of weeks it's been in the tens, and I think today it's at 7. If you are still holding, keep doing so. You're doing a great job. The next few days, next few weeks, I think are going to be what tests a lot of newer investors especially. But at the same time, right, the next few weeks I reckon will be, and the next few days will be the days that will help if you have that extra money, that is. This isn't financial advice, by the way. But if you have that extra money to put aside and put into your crypto or into stocks, the next few days / weeks will be the time to do that, to put that money aside and put that into there, because we're talking about interest rates that are, at a high, nearly 30 years high. Cost of living is at a nearly 40-year high. And you look at the events that have taken place in those 30, 40 years, and, you would have thought that, we would have seen higher rates in those times, considering what was going on, not just in the economy, but because we had the recession back in 2007, 2009, but also for the likes of COVID. It's only now that we're starting to see the effects. Theoretically, this is me just brainstorming here, but the effects of COVID, I think we're now starting to see the economic impact of the measures that were put in place for that. So there's that element, but the other things too, in the last 30, 40 years, we've had wars, we've had other viruses and what have you, swine flu, bird flu, but here we are, and we are at 30, 40-year highs. So I reckon that next, as I said, 2 to 3 days, maybe even 2 or 3 weeks, we'll start seeing the effects of these rate hikes in America. Not just in America, but personally for people like myself who live in Australia and anywhere else in the world, we will start seeing the effects of this interest rate hike, both in the stock market and in the commodities and crypto markets as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the flip side.